First is RYTR.me, and I'm gonna leave a link to all these tools in the description of this very video. You can head over down there and you'll find tutorials on each and every one of them. Now RYTR is one of the best ones, and it has a free plan. On the free plan of RYTR, you get to generate up to 5,000 characters per month, and you can also use their inbuilt-in plagiarism checker by signing up for free right here. Now I have a tutorial on how to use RYTR. You can head over to YouTube, type in how to use RYTR for beginners. My video is right here on my other channel. You can check out that channel as well. Watch this video, it will show you exactly how to find keywords and how to optimize your content using RYTR. Next is simplified.co, and this one, like RYTR, has a free plan whereby you don't need to even input in your credit card. Now this is like Canva, but it has a copywriting tool inbuilt in, and you can sign up for 100% free. Now there is a paid plan if you want to upgrade, but I have a tutorial on simplified.com, which is the Jarvis alternatives. You can also search for best Jarvis alternatives. The video should show up as number 3 right here. You can watch the video and see other alternatives that I'm not mentioned in this video as well. Next is an editing app which I really like, and it's called HemingwayApp.com, which is a very good app that will help you optimize your readability of your content. Now it will give you a grade depending on how readable your content is to the people on the web. Now you want to go for a grade 8 or lower. The higher the grade it gives you, less readable your content is going to be for a high school graduate. That is over at HemingwayApp.com, and it's another great tool you can use for 100% free. You don't even need to sign up. Now, if you want a better tool to write blog posts, then I would recommend Jasper AI, which is the free plan, of course. You can use the free trial of Jasper AI and claim up to 10,000 free words. Now, I made a video on how to unlock the free trial on Jasper AI. You can watch that video in the description. If your 10,000 keywords are done, then couple that up with Bramework.com. Now, this is another great tool. You can sign up for 100% free, and they have a trial which you can get via the link in the description. Now, it has a paid plan, but you get up to 10,000 AI generated keywords on the free plan. You don't need even to enter your credit card. Now, I'll caution you that with Jasper AI, you enter your credit card, but you can cancel before the 5 days are done. I have a tutorial on how to use Bramework and how to write content. I really like it over Jasper AI because of the content it writes. Now, the 10,000 limit will be reached much easier depending on how long the content you're writing. You can check out the video on how to use Bramework in the description as well. If you want more free tools and some paid ones as well, then you can head over to georgelamek.com/free. I'll leave a link to this in the description. You can get access to more AI tools and some free courses on Udemy and Coursera as well. Leave a like on your way out and subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button right up here, and you should enjoy more content from me on the best tools, free and some paid ones as well. I'll leave a playlist on the screen right now where you can go and check out all my copywriting AI tool videos on this very channel. Subscribe and I'll see you in those videos.